To begin backing up Google Classroom data, start by typing Google Classroom into your web browser's search bar. This will bring up two main options: the Classroom Management Tools and Resources, and the main website. Underneath the main website, you will find your workspace where you can access your classes. To access your classes, you will need to log into your Google account using your email and password. Once logged in, you can navigate to the home page, where you will see your classes, calendar, archived classes, and settings. To back up your data, you can archive your classes, which will create a file that you can store and review later. Alternatively, you can use other methods to back up your data. For example, you can use Google Takeout to download your data, including emails, documents, calendars, and photos. To do this, simply log into your Google account, go to Google Takeout, and select the data you want to download. You can also customize your archive format and learn more about what data may not be included. By following these steps, you can easily back up your Google Classroom data and keep it organized.